The PBS KIDS ScratchJr program is a family engagement program for kindergarten through second grade students, and we were super excited to bring it to families because we don't have a lot in our area of town for kindergarten through second graders. So we knew that this was something that could really target that younger age group, and especially something where families could be engaged with their kids.
Lots of times they don't feel adequate, and they are their child's first teacher. And if we foster that and make sure that parents understand that we're a team in trying to educate their child, it's win-win for everybody.
I think the idea to have parents learn any kind of principle and be able to actively teach their kid is a powerful thing.
My goal for my family through this workshop is to really build their confidence in their knowledge, knowing that just because something doesn't work the first time doesn't mean that you want to quit. You want to go ahead and try things out again, build on what you know.
I believe one of the things that the parents are going to take away from this workshop series is the success of trying something new and ending with a product that they were able to share with an entire room of people that they just met 4 weeks ago.
I think some of the activities that they have the parents doing at first, away from the actual coding, has been really good. For instance, they wanted us to describe how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, which if you really start thinking about it, there's a lot of directions in there. And so it gets us in this mindset to think about directions in its minute form. Also, they had us make paper planes and test them out. So that kind of shows how when you do follow directions and you make something, then you must test it to see if it's even worth its weight in what you're trying to achieve.
The PBS ScratchJr series really opens up a lot of opportunities. It lets us make those relationships with families. And because it's a 4-week series, you really do build up what you know about families, how they interact, how they work together. And it's just been very heartwarming to see all the friendships made.
We are really noticing that they're spending that quality time together where parents are teaching, kids are learning, they're doing something fun together, and they walk away fed and have a learning experience and then walk away with a smile on their faces and eager to return.
Really, it helped us with problem solving because you start off with one design, realize that's not going to work, and then you kind of build upon that. And I think that that really ties into a lot of things just with my children's lives, but also with this workshop.
I think it's been really good. I actually like the fact that they are teaching the parents how to teach the kids because it involves family engagement on a whole different level. I think it's opened his creativity. The fact that he can put down commands and then see something happen in front of him, it's really made him start thinking, well, what else would I want this program to do?
I think we have stretched the learning of some of them, even some of our youngest ones. I mean, we had a 2-year-old be able to do his own story. That's just incredible.
I highly recommend this series to other educators. For this series of 4 workshops that are well laid out and well planned, it goes by fast, and at the end of the night you're like, wow, is it already time to go home? Because you're just amazed at all the families that are walking out the door knowing that you've done something that they can continue on with.